This is a review for the Tuesday, the 9th of May 2017. So I'm going to put this one into my journal, my digital journal, because today is a fail, short-term failure, in the sense that I did have order flow confirmation here for a down move. But number one, from what I've been learning with order flow, thinner markets such as the YM NQ as compared to the ES and the DAX or the FESX, those sort of thickly traded markets tend to show absorption around 1 or 2 price points, whereas thinner markets such as the YM show absorption over a larger period of price, and that goes for CL as well. So I knew that I had strong absorption here, and I knew that I needed to wait based off of the higher time frame analysis. I knew that price could get somewhere up here in the 85 region was the mark, and as that's a zone. And I knew that was the case, and I caved in and I shorted. So when I shorted here at 69, I said if order flow doesn't follow through, I should just scratch the trade. But I know I'm no good at scratching trades. I'm either all in or I'm out. So I got in, I held, knowing full well that it could go back up here. And I said to myself, okay, I justified taking this, saying, well, I've got 2 shots per day. If this one fails, I'll get in up here if and when order flow confirms. And I took the trade and it failed, and that was fear of missing out, because I thought, well, what if it rolls over from here and my higher time frame analysis doesn't work? It just so happens it did pop up here, showed the V price action I was looking for, and is currently on its way down. It did give order flow confirmation here. I was on the phone to my mum having a difficult conversation, and I messed it up, basically cocked up the entry. Should have been short at 79. Target would have been 44 down here, which it was also for this trade. So that's another reason why I should have maybe skipped this trade. This was worth 2.5 R, and I'm typically going for, I want to open myself up to the possibility of 3R or more, 4, 5, the more the merrier. So this was a little bit low on the profit potential, the reward to risk ratio, and the higher time frame said to go short here. So I went in here, lost, which I was prepared to do, but didn't get in here. So the worst of the 3 situations. The ideal situation would have been to wait, get in here and hold, in which case I would currently be up 1.3 R at this moment in time. The second best scenario would have been to take this knowing full well that it needed to come up here, and then have the conviction and the concentration to take this one again, in which case I would have lost 1 R here and I'd currently be up 1.3 R on this trade. So up net 0.3 R intra-trade. And then the worst case scenario was taking this one and then for whatever reason missing this trade, which is what's happened today. So it's 11 past 3 here. The market opens in 19 minutes. I think this is going to be one of those lessons today, and I've documented it here on the video. I knew as I was taking this trade, as I said, this more retail trade, that order flow got me into. This is why you have to be a little careful with your use of order flow, because it has to complement the other analysis and not sort of push you into something that you should wait for. So you know, it may well come back up here and test, but I said I'm not going to trade, or I'm going to trade infrequently from 3:30 onwards, so regular trading hours. So that would only compound my mistake if I was to leave this on. So I'll give it another few minutes, although it's highly unlikely it's going to flush back up here and give me time to get out. So I tell you what, I'm just going to cancel it now, and that's the end of the day. It stings to know that I should have really, I was up 2.8 R yesterday, and I should be up 1.2 on the offer right now. No, 1.2, 1.1. You know, looking to exit this trade into the open. But that's not the case today, so we live and learn. This is the result. If I alternate between doing what I did yesterday and doing what I did today, 50% of the time doing this and 50% doing what I did yesterday, that would be great. We will see, and that's it for now. So catch you all in the next video. Bye for now.